Today I will discuss about cooling range, approach and cooling tower efficiency. Now I will explain about cooling range. So normally in the cooling tower, what is cooling range? Cooling range means how much temperature possible to reduce by this cooling tower. It is called cooling range. You have seen in my previous video I already discussed return water temperature 32 degrees centigrade. After evaporation, this temperature has come down 25 degrees centigrade. So that means how much difference happened? 32 to 25, that means 7 degree temperature reduced. So this temperature is called cooling range. So cooling range means temperature difference. So 32 minus 25 equal 7 degrees centigrade. It is called cooling range. So now I will explain about approach. What is the call of approach? What is the meaning of approach? So approach means water temperature how much possible to reduce. This is by this cooling tower, by evaporation system possible to reduce 32 to 25 degrees centigrade, that means 7 degrees centigrade. But approach means water temperature how much possible to reduce. For understanding this required two thermocouple. One is dry bulb thermocouple, another is wet bulb thermocouple. Dry bulb thermocouple means if air temperature 40 degree, and cooling water temperature 25 degree. So how is possible? You should think about this, because air temperature 40 and cooling water temperature 25 degree. Of course it is possible. How is it possible? Because this cooling water temperature depend of air humidity, air moisture. If in the air less moisture, that time air will take more moisture from the water and this water temperature will come down by sensible heat. Because if air temperature 40 degree means in the air present humidity. Understanding this, you have to take two thermocouple. One is called dry bulb thermocouple. Another is called wet bulb thermocouple. Okay, one is called dry bulb thermocouple, another is called wet bulb thermocouple. Dry bulb thermocouple means atmospheric air, present temperature. If I put one thermocouple on the air, on the outside or atmosphere, that time how much temperature will be shown? It is called dry bulb thermocouple. But for wet bulb thermocouple, in the air how much quantity of moisture available? For understanding this one, you have to measure this temperature by wet bulb thermocouple. If one thermocouple sensor covered by cloth and put on the water, and if air passes by this water, that time from this thermocouple sensor some water will be evaporate. Air temperature will increase and water temperature will be decrease. So you think dry bulb thermocouple, this temperature 40 degree, but this wet bulb thermocouple, this temperature 23 degrees centigrade. You can understand another things. After washing our cloth, we give this on the sun. That time our cloth will be dry. How it is dry? Because air required moisture. This air taken moisture from the cloth. By this way, this air temperature will increase and water temperature will decrease. So if this wet bulb thermocouple temperature showing 23 degree and dry bulb thermocouple temperature showing 40 degree, but our cooling water system, in our cooling tower, after this air we reduce this temperature up to 25 degrees centigrade. But possible to reduce this water temperature maximum 23 degrees centigrade as per the wet bulb thermocouple result. Wet bulb thermocouple result, but we reduce this temperature up to 25 degrees centigrade. So how much temperature we can more reduce? So 25 minus 23 equal 2 degrees centigrade temperature possible to more reduce if cooling tower efficiency 100%, that time possible to reduce another more 2 degree centigrade. So I hope it is understand. So it is called approach. So what is the approach? Approach means cooling water temperature how much maximum possible to reduce by air contact, it is called approach. So third one is efficiency. So what is called efficiency? So I will give explanation about efficiency. So efficiency of cooling tower equal water temperature how much possible to decrease, it is called range. That means range divided by maximum how much possible to decrease by wet bulb thermocouple result. Again range how much temperature possible to decrease of water plus maximum how much temperature possible to decrease by wet bulb thermocouple result, it is called approach. Approach multiply 100. So if I calculate this one, how much efficiency coming in our cooling tower? So range, water range means how much temperature decrease by this cooling tower. So temperature decrease 32 to 25 degrees centigrade, that means 7 degree temperature decrease. Okay, divided by how much decrease? 7 degree temperature decrease. Approach how much? Maximum how much possible to decrease if cooling tower 100% efficiency, maximum possible to decrease another 2%, another 2 degree. So approach, it is called approach 2 degree multiply 100. So how much coming? 700 divided by 9. 100 divided by 9, that means 77. That means 77.77%. In our cooling tower efficiency 77.77%. I hope this video also understand. So viewers, thank you for watching up to last moment. Again, if you like my videos and comment my videos, I will get encouraged and I will create more videos for you. I hope you will be subscribe my channel. Thank you.